Next up is the side to side pelvic shift. Just pushing your pelvis side to side. If you bring your arm, we call this a little teapot or blowing in the wind. So pushing the pelvis to side. Again, small amount of pain is acceptable. And again, if it's a small amount of pain, it's deemed as a 1, 2, or 3 out of 10. 3 out of 10 is kind of annoying. That's an okay pain to have, especially if it starts to loosen out. So this is very much about the pelvis moving and not the rest of the spine, because most of us do this too much anyway, and we do not control our pelvis enough. Do as many as feel nice, which could be 10, which could be 20, which could be 30, or you could do it for time. You could do it for 30 seconds, you could do it for a minute, whatever feels nice. Feel for restrictions. Can you push your pelvis that way as much as you can push it that way? So our I'm a little teapot pelvic lateral shift exercise.